Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create and edit image using SNAPPA. So SNAPPA is a website to create and edit images. So before we start, I'm going to need you to subscribe my channel, turn on notification bell so that every time I post a new video you see it. So let's go. So we just type SNAPPA, snappa.com, snappa.com. We punch in. So firstly you have to create an account. You create an account, put on your email, you create an account, so then you enter. So it's very important that you create your account before you enter. So I already have an account, so then I'll go back. So if you open the SNAPPA, this is the first thing you're going to see. So you're going to customize the graphic size. Me, I use 2000 by 250. So then enter. So the most interesting thing about SNAPPA is you can create a Facebook post, you can create a Facebook link, Instagram post, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube subscribe buttons. You can create a lot of things, ebook cover, infographic, block feature image. You can create a banner. So a lot of things, you can create a lot of things. So let's punch into create. So this is what you see the moment you enter into SNAPPA. So firstly, we're going to SNAPPA has a lot of features. You can create a background, you can edit it, you can apply a color, you can add effect on the background, you can add text, you can add graphics, you can add shapes, you can resize it, you can duplicate it, you can flip it to be backward or inward. So a lot of things. So you can also delete it. So firstly we are going to add a background. So if you want to add a background, there are a lot of background here, a lot of backgrounds you want to add. So you can search and you can also download it and add it. So firstly, let's look for a background here. Let's look at a background. Let's look for a background here. You know, there are a lot of background, very beautiful backgrounds, very beautiful backgrounds. You can also upload it. So if you want to upload it in your PC, example, this is a photo, right? So let's select this SpongeBob SquarePants images. Very good. So you can upload it. So you see, if you upload it, then it will be on your background. It will appear on your background. So we upload it. Very good. So we click on it. If you click on it, it will appear on your background. You see. So if you want to, there are a lot of features you can change in the background. So let's go to what? Color. Or let's go to what? Reposition. You can reposition it and the scale background. So here is it. You can reposition, you can add it to be large or small. You can, then you apply. So if you can also remove it and add another color. So you can add another photo again if you want. You can upload, you can, so, and yeah, it has a lot of features. So let's start from effect. So we have color overlay. So you see, if you see, the name is color overlay. You can also change the color. So you can also darken it. You can also blur it, you can also apply a saturation color to it. You can also add hue. So you see, the color will be changed. Brightness, you can add the brightness, you can reduce the brightness. You can also add a contrast to it. So you see, so you can also add a text, any text that you want. So on the text you can also increase the size of the text. So see, let's use a black color. So you can add also a white color. You can move the text anywhere you want. So you see, you add a text to it. So you can also add a graphics to it, a lot of graphics here. You can also add it. It has a lot of features of graphics. So this is it. So you see, you can also add a graphic to it if you want. You can also create a shape if you don't want a background color. So you can delete it if you want, if you don't want it. So we remove it. So you can also create a shape if you don't want any background image. You create a shape, the shape will appear. You can increase the shape if you want. So let's use this shape to increase it to be big. Very good. So you can also add a color, bright color. You can also create another shape and add a different color to it also. Let's say blue. You can also create another shape again and add any color that you want. Let's add yellow or orange. So you can make the yellow one to become at the backward. You can make the red one to become at the forward. So you can apply it. So you see, move layer forward, move layer backward. You see, so the blue has come to the front. So this is the function of move layer forward. So you can, so there are a lot of features in SNAPPA. You can also undo it if you don't want it. You can also resize it. So that is this about SNAPPA.com. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you want to create a lot of image, if you want to edit a lot of image, you use SNAPPA. It's very important. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and then please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like my channel. And if you have any question regarding this video, then let me see it in my description below. So thank you and have a good day.